Hello students, I am Neha Solanki, Assistant Professor in CSE Department. In today's lab, we are going to perform a Java program to print a string in console. Okay, so this is the vision and mission of our institute. This is the vision and mission of our department. The course outcome of Java Programming Lab is to develop an in-depth understanding of programming and apply by writing object-oriented programs in Java. To understand and develop packages, interfaces, strings, and exception handling in Java, and to create applications involving file handling, concurrency, and applet. So, writing a Java program to print hello message. Basic requirement of writing a Java program is for executing any Java program, you need to install the JDK. If you don't have installed it, download the JDK and install it. Now set up the JDK bin directory and create the Java program, compile and run the Java program. So to write the simple program, you need to open Notepad by start menu, all programs, the necessaries and then Notepad. Write the simple program of Java in Notepad and saved it as filename.java. To compile and run this program, you need to open the command prompt by start menu, all programs, accessories and command prompt. Now to compile and run the program, you need to compile and run the program. Go to your current directory first, give the path of your current directory, then to compile, write Java C, then your file name .java. To execute the Java program, we have to write Java, then file name. Now let us see how to write a Java program. So to write a Java program, we need to write the program in Notepad. In Notepad, start with writing a class name. Class name here we have to write a Java program to print a string hello. So we are giving the class name as hello. Now inside the class, we have to create a void main function. The main function is the specifier as public static void main. In this, we have to give the arguments that is string arg. In main function, we have to type our strings. So we have to write a class system dot out dot print ln. In this double quotes, we have to write whatever string we want to print on the console. So we are writing here hello. Every statement in Java program should be terminated with a semicolon. So we are writing semicolon at the end. Now close the main function, close the class also. Now here a class is declared. The class must be same as the name of your file. Now public is a access specifier, which means that your code is publicly accessible. Static is the keyword. Void is the return type of our function. Main is our main function and it is taking the argument that is a string args. Now system.out.println is used to print any string in the console. Now save the file with the name as a file name given as the name of the class. So here our class name is hello. So we are writing the name as hello.java and save the file on desktop. Now open the command prompt. In the command prompt, go to the path as described. Our file is saved in desktop, so we have to select the path. Go to desktop or File is saved in desktop, so we have to write the for compilation. We have to write the code Java C, then file name is your hello dot Java. Sorry, the path is desktop, then the Java program. Here we have to write the code Java C, hello dot Java. After compilation, run the program using Java code Java, then hello. So it will display the string hello on the console. To this, the program write a simple string using Java program.